Ever wondered how you can make money online right from the comfort of your home or anywhere else in the world? Imagine having the flexibility to work when you want, where you want. That's the allure of making money online. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many, thanks to opportunities like affiliate marketing. This lucrative option allows you to earn income by promoting other people's products or services. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. For the uninitiated, you might be asking, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a simple concept that's been around for quite a while, but has gained significant traction in the digital age. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where an individual, known as an affiliate, partners with a company to promote its products or services. The affiliate then earns a commission for every sale made through their unique referral link. Imagine it as being a middleman who connects potential customers with the products or services they're looking for and gets rewarded for doing so. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work? Let's break it down. The process begins when an affiliate chooses a product or service they wish to promote. The company then provides them with a unique referral link, which the affiliate uses in their promotional efforts. When a potential customer clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase, the company tracks the sale back to the affiliate through the unique link. The affiliate then receives a percentage of the sale as a commission. Affiliate marketing is an enticing avenue for many because it allows you to earn money without creating a product or service of your own. All you need is the ability to effectively market and promote the products or services of others. Now that we've defined what affiliate marketing is, let's move on to how you can get started. Starting with affiliate marketing might seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. The first order of business is to research profitable niches. This is where your interests and market demand intersect. If you're passionate about fitness, for example, you could look into the health and wellness niche. You'll want to find a niche with a substantial audience interested in the products or services you'll be promoting. Remember, the key here is balance. You want a niche that's popular, but not overly saturated with competition. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to choose the right affiliate network. These networks act as intermediaries between you, the affiliate marketer, and the businesses looking for promoters. Some well-known networks you might consider include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Each platform has its own perks and quirks, so take the time to explore and find one that aligns with your needs and goals. Now, it's time to select the products or services you want to promote. This step is crucial and requires careful consideration. Remember, you'll be recommending these products to your audience, so it's important that they are of high quality and relevant to your niche. It's also wise to choose products with a decent commission rate. After all, the aim of the game is to earn money. Once you've selected your products, sign up for the affiliate program. This usually involves filling out a form with your details and waiting for approval. Once approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link for each product. This link will be your ticket to earning commissions. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a percentage of the sale. With these initial steps, you're well on your way to becoming an affiliate marketer. And remember, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. But with the right approach and persistence, it can become a lucrative source of passive income. So get started, stay focused, and watch your efforts pay off. Once you've chosen your niche and products, the next step is to build your online presence. In the digital age, your online presence is your calling card, your storefront, and your reputation all rolled into one. It's where your audience will find you, follow you, and ultimately trust in the products you recommend. So, how can you build this all-important online presence? Firstly, you need a platform. This could be a blog, a website, or a social media account. It's the stage on which you'll promote your chosen products. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. You should choose a platform that suits your style and the nature of your audience. If you're a wordsmith, a blog could be a great option. If you're more visual, social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest might be the way to go. Once you have your platform, it's time to start creating content, but not just any content. High-quality content. Remember, your goal isn't just to sell products, it's to provide value. When your audience sees that you're consistently offering useful, engaging content, they'll be more inclined to trust your recommendations. This could be in the form of informative blog posts, engaging social media updates, or even captivating videos. Now you may be thinking, I'm not a writer or a videographer. How can I create high-quality content? There's no need to worry. There are numerous resources available online to help you hone your content creation skills. And remember, authenticity often trumps perfection. Your audience will appreciate content that's genuine and relatable, even if it's not polished to perfection. Finally, make sure your online presence is consistent. This means regularly posting content, responding to comments, and engaging with your audience. Consistency not only helps to build trust, it also improves your visibility on search engines and social media platforms. A strong online presence is key to succeeding in affiliate marketing, so start building yours today. Whether it's through a blog, a website, or social media, make sure it's a platform where your audience can find value and trust in your recommendations. Now that you have your platform and products, how do you get people to buy through your link? Let's dive in. First up, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is your best friend in the digital marketing world. Why? Because it's all about visibility. When you optimize your content for search engines, you're making it easier for potential customers to find you. So, how do you do it? Well, it's all about keywords. These are the terms that people are typing into search engines when they're looking for something. If you can find the right keywords and incorporate them into your content, you're on the right track. Next, we've got email marketing. This is another fantastic tool for affiliate marketers because it allows you to build a relationship with your audience. But it's not about spamming people with sales pitches. It's about providing value, share insights, offer advice, and make your emails something that people look forward to. Then when you do recommend a product, your audience is more likely to trust you. Now let's talk about social media promotions. In the modern digital landscape, social media is king. It's where people spend a huge chunk of their time, and it's a fantastic place to promote your affiliate products. But again, it's not about spamming, it's about building a community. Share useful content, engage with your followers, and make your social media platforms a place where people want to hang out. But here's the thing, these strategies aren't a magic bullet. They take time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. You need to be willing to learn, adapt, and grow. You need to be patient. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your affiliate marketing empire. Finally, regardless of which strategies you choose, always keep this in mind. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide real value to your audience. If you're just trying to make a quick buck, people will see through it. But if you genuinely care about helping your audience, your success is just a matter of time. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide real value to your audience. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. Now let's delve into the final leg of our journey, the road to success in affiliate marketing. This path is paved with consistency, continuous learning, and adaptability. Yes, these are the cornerstones, the building blocks of a successful affiliate marketing career. Firstly, consistency. It's not just about launching your affiliate marketing campaign and then sitting back, waiting for the money to roll in. No, it's about regularly creating and sharing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. It's about consistently engaging with your audience, building trust, and fostering relationships. Remember, consistency breeds familiarity, and familiarity breeds trust. Next, continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is ever evolving, and so should your knowledge. Keep abreast of the latest trends, techniques, and tools. Learn from industry experts, attend webinars, read blogs, participate in forums. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and to create strategies that work. Lastly, adaptability. The market is a fickle beast. It can change in the blink of an eye, and as an affiliate marketer, you need to be ready to adapt. Be flexible. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot and try something new. After all, failure isn't the end of the road, it's just a detour on your journey to success. But let's be clear, success doesn't come overnight. It's a journey, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, hard work, and yes, sometimes it requires failure. But with each failure comes a lesson learned, a stepping stone to success. So don't be disheartened. Persevere, keep going, keep learning, keep adapting. Because success in affiliate marketing isn't just about making money, it's about building a sustainable business. It's about creating value. It's about making a difference. So remember, the road to success may be long and winding, but with perseverance, it is achievable. Your journey to making money online with affiliate marketing starts today. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key points we've discussed today. We've delved into the allure of making money online and demystified affiliate marketing. From there, we explored the steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing venture, which includes building a robust online presence. We also discussed effective strategies to maximize your earnings and the journey towards success in this field. Remember, consistency and patience are key. With these, you are now equipped to start your own journey in affiliate marketing. Good luck!